beautiful,
Oh, thank you.
cute.
But I'm
Everyone.
not lady.
You're not a lady?
Yes,
What are you?
I'm ladyboy. You don't believe me?
You are not a lady boy, are you?
I'm
No.
ladyboy.
Really?
Yes.
So I know what you're thinking. This video is about ladyboys. Actually, no. But if you're a single guy traveling to Thailand for the first time, a few Thai phrases will set you apart from the other Farangs. So what I'm going to do today is share a few important Thai phrases to help step your game up when you get to Thailand. And at the end of the video, I'm going to share with you one important phrase that'll probably score points with the ladies or ladyboys you might exchange pleasantries with. So usually the first thing anybody learns in a new language is how to say hello. To say hello in Thai, it's sawati, sawati, sawadi kap, sawadi ka. You use kap if you're a male or ka if you're female. It's a polite ending particle that just makes it more respectful. Next, how to say thank you. Saying thank you to anybody in their native language is really appreciated, and it just shows that extra level of respect if you do it in their native language. How to say thank you in Thai? Kap kun, kap kun, kap kun kap, kap kun ka. You get the gist. Let's say you want to get someone's attention, or you did something that you want to apologize for. Maybe you spilled the drink on the table, or what have it. ขอโทษ ขอโทษ ขอโทษครับ ขอโทษค่ะ Again, it's showing that level of respect and you're stepping that game up. All right, this next phrase, very important, guys. Let's say you're in a situation, you're walking down the street or you're at a bar and you just meet a girl and you're vibing well. Things are going well. And you think she's very cute, you think she's very beautiful, you want to tell her, Kun swai jang loi. Kun swai jang loi. You're very beautiful, or you're so beautiful. Again, goes really far, and the girls will think it's very cute hearing it from a Farang. Maybe a discount on a short time? Probably not, but you never know. All right, now the most important phrase that any man should know, whether you're in Bangkok, Pattaya, Phuket, Chiang Mai, Uran Thani, wherever. Kun bin gatoy ru bin puying na. Let's say that again. Kun bin gatoy ru bin puying na. Are you a lady boy or a lady? Now, what you can do is you could put some of these phrases together. So let's say you're walking down Beach Road or Soy Bukau and you see a beautiful woman walking down the street.
Oh my God, so beautiful lady. Hello. Lady boy. A lady boy. Oh my God.
ขอโทษนะ คุณสวยจังเลย คุณเป็นกระเทยหรือเป็นผู้หญิงนะ Let's try that again. ขอโทษนะ คุณสวยจังเลย คุณเป็นกระเทยหรือผู้หญิงนะ Now, whether it's a lady or a lady boy, I'm sure they'll be real impressed that you said that in Thai. And you didn't walk up like a normal foreigner, literally asking, excuse me, are you a lady or a lady boy, or vice versa?
Lady or lady boy?
Lady boy.
You a lady boy?
Are you want lady or lady boy?
I want lady.
You cannot look me, lady or lady boy, why you ask me?
I don't understand. How can I tell lady boy or not lady boy?
Lady.
You a lady?
They'll probably giggle. They'll think it's cute. So now you're a foreigner that's speaking their language. That goes a long way with Thai women or lady boys, if that's your thing. If you found this video informative, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll be coming with more videos as I prepare to go to Thailand. 2 more weeks.
Damn, I just wanna rock. Damn.